Welcome to Contract Production Limited, the trusted partner in turning your electronic designs into high-quality products. Today, we'll take you on a journey through our manufacturing process. Every journey at Contract Production starts with you, the customer. Your designs and specifications are the blueprints we follow. Our experts work closely with you, ensuring we fully understand your product assembly. Our experienced production engineers then review your design to confirm its compatibility with our manufacturing process. Any queries will be communicated for your approval, ensuring the process remains firmly within your control. With the design confirmed, we turn to sourcing the necessary components. Our excellent relationships with suppliers allows us to procure the correct parts, not alternatives. And if we can't get the original part, we'll consult with you. Once all parts are received, our stores team sets to work, checking the components and preparing the kits for assembly. Next, our skilled technicians use some of the latest technology to populate your PCBs. Accuracy is paramount here as we work to bring your product into reality. We're all about quality. We check our work carefully to make sure we're always doing the best job possible for you. Depending on your needs, PCBs can be integrated into their enclosures. This step brings us closer to the completion of your product, setting the stage for any additional work required to reach the finished state. We offer testing services to confirm product performance and reliability. However, we also respect that some customers may prefer to complete the final stages of assembly and testing at their own facilities. Upon completion, your product is carefully packaged and sealed, ready to be dispatched, either directly to you or your customers. At Contract Production, we treat every product as if it were our own, dedicating ourselves to quality and reliability.